Top 10 AI tools that will be dead in 2026, and what replaces them. The AI industry is moving so fast that tools which were revolutionary 18 months ago are already obsolete. Companies are going bankrupt, categories are being swallowed whole, and users who are still paying for tools that have been functionally killed by a better alternative are quietly losing money and competitive ground. Today, I'm making predictions that are going to make some of you uncomfortable because some of the tools on this list are ones you're probably using right now. But this isn't about being harsh, it's about helping you see where the market is heading so you can make smart decisions about where to invest your time and money. Here are the 10 AI tools and categories that I believe will be dead, dying, or dramatically diminished by end of 2026, and what you should be using instead. Let's get into it. Number 10. Standalone grammar tools, like the old Grammarly free tier. Why it's dying? Basic grammar correction is now a built-in feature of virtually every writing platform. Microsoft Word, Google Docs, Apple's writing tools, and every major AI assistant all provide real-time grammar correction for free. The standalone grammar checker with no additional features has no reason to exist. What's replacing it? Full AI writing assistants that not only correct grammar, but improve structure, tone, clarity, and argumentation simultaneously. Claude, ChatGPT, and even Grammarly's own paid tier with AI-powered rewrites. If you're still using a basic grammar checker alone, you're leaving serious capability on the table. Number 9. Simple AI chatbot builders. No-code bots without AI reasoning. Why it's dying? The first wave of no-code chatbot builders produced bots that followed decision trees. If the user says X, respond with Y. These tools flourished when building a rule-based chatbot was technically difficult. That's no longer true, and more importantly, users now expect chatbots to understand nuance and have intelligent conversations. What's replacing it? AI agent platforms that combine large language models with business logic. Tidio, Intercom Fin, and custom GPTs built with real reasoning capability. Users won't tolerate dumb bots in 2026, and businesses using them are already seeing churn as a result. Number 8. Standalone AI writing assistants without multimodal capability. Why it's dying? There was a moment when having an AI that could just write text was impressive enough to build a business around. That moment is past. Users now expect AI to read documents, analyze images, browse the web, execute code, and write, all in the same tool. Text-only AI writing tools without these capabilities feel like a downgrade. What's replacing it? Fully multimodal AI platforms, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, that handle text, images, code, files, and web research in one interface. Specialized writing tools will survive if they offer something these general platforms can't match, like Jasper's brand voice training or Writesonic's SEO integration. Number 7. Basic AI image upscalers. Why it's dying? Standalone AI image upscaling tools. Tools where the only function is making images bigger and sharper are being absorbed. Adobe Photoshop, Canva, Topaz Labs, and even phone operating systems now include AI upscaling natively. Why pay for a single function tool when upscaling is built into everything you already use? What's replacing it? Comprehensive AI image editing platforms that include upscaling as one feature among many. Adobe Firefly, Crea AI, and Magnifica AI for professional use are absorbing the market and offering far more value per subscription. Number 6. First-generation AI SEO content tools. Why it's dying? The first wave of AI SEO tools worked because Google couldn't reliably detect AI content. That window is mostly closed. Google's algorithms now actively downrank thin, AI-generated content that exists purely to target keywords without genuine insight or expertise. Tools that produce high-volume, low-quality SEO articles are actively harming the websites using them. What's replacing it? A more sophisticated model where AI assists in content strategy, outline generation, and research, but human expertise and real experience drive the final product. Tools like Surfer SEO for optimization signals, combined with Claude or ChatGPT for drafting with human editorial oversight. Quality-first SEO is replacing quantity-first SEO, and the tools are following. Number 5. Generic AI art generators without differentiation. Why it's dying? In 2022, any AI image generator felt like magic. In 2026, there are hundreds of them. Tools that offer basic text-to-image generation with no unique style, no specialized training, and no competitive advantage over free tools like Adobe Firefly or Microsoft Image Creator are struggling to justify their existence. What's replacing it? Specialized image generators with genuine differentiation, Midjourney for artistic quality, Ideogram for text and image, Crea for real-time creative collaboration, and Flux for photorealistic generation. The middle of the market, generic quality at a paid price, is getting crushed from both sides. Number 4. Standalone AI meeting transcription tools, no downstream intelligence. Why it's dying? Simple meeting transcription, audio in, text out, is becoming a commodity feature. Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet all now include native AI transcription. Standalone transcription-only tools have lost their core value proposition to the platforms themselves. What's replacing it? Meeting intelligence platforms that go beyond transcription. Action item extraction, CRM integration, deal coaching, and meeting analytics. Fathom, Gong, Fires.ai, and Otter with integrations are all moving towards this higher value tier. Transcription alone is not a business in 2026. Number 3. Early generative video tools with obvious quality flaws. Why it's dying? Remember early Sora and early Runway videos where humans had extra fingers, motion was jittery, and physics was wrong? Those quality flaws, acceptable in 2023 because nothing better existed, are now deal breakers. Users who built workflows around early video generation tools are being forced to upgrade as their outputs look dated compared to current standards. What's replacing it? The second and third generation of video AI. Sora's improved versions, Kling AI, Runway Gen 3, and Pika 2.0, which produce dramatically more photorealistic and physically coherent results. The tools that don't continuously improve their model quality will lose users to those that do. Number 2. AI tools built on reselling GPT-4 without added value. Why it's dying? At the height of the AI tool explosion, hundreds of startups launched with a simple business model: connect to GPT-4 via API, build a thin wrapper, add a branded UI, and charge $29 a month. This worked briefly because GPT-4 was only available through these tools for most users. That arbitrage is gone. ChatGPT Plus is $20 a month and goes directly to OpenAI. Claude is accessible directly. Gemini is in your browser. The value add of a branded wrapper around GPT-4 is essentially zero unless it comes with genuine specialization, proprietary training data, or deep integrations with existing workflows. The generic wrapper era is over. Number 1. Traditional project management tools without AI integration. Why it's dying? Asana, Trello, and older versions of project management tools without deep AI integration are under serious competitive pressure. The next generation of work management, Notion AI, Monday.com AI, and emerging AI native platforms don't just organize tasks, they actively help you think about prioritization, surface blockers, generate briefs, summarize progress, and suggest what should happen next. Teams using AI native project management are moving faster and with better information. Teams using legacy tools are increasingly feeling the friction of manually managing what AI can automate. What's replacing it? AI native project management platforms that treat intelligence as a core feature, not an add-on. Notion AI, Linear with AI features, and emerging platforms like Height and Dart that are built from the ground up for AI-assisted project coordination. If your project management tool doesn't have a roadmap for deep AI integration, start evaluating alternatives now. There you have it, 10 categories and tools that are being disrupted, displaced, or flat out killed by the next wave of AI. This doesn't mean cancel every subscription today. It means be strategic, know where the market is heading so you can get ahead of it rather than react to it. Let me know in the comments which prediction surprised you most and which tool on this list are you currently paying for. I'm curious about the results. Subscribe for weekly AI market intelligence, and I'll see you in the next video.